Hello students, this is Tripti Gupta. Today I will discuss with you the topic on algebraic expressions. So basically, what is an algebraic expression? In simple terms, if I talk about an algebraic expression is a number which we express in the form of letters or symbols which are actually unknown. So this is the simple definition of algebraic expression. In mathematical words, it is basically an expression which consists of variables and constants along with algebraic operations of addition and subtraction. Okay, now let us see the example. Here we have 3x plus 4y minus 7. As you can see that here x and y are the variables and 3 and 4 are the coefficients associated with the variables x and y, and 7 is the constant term. And all these terms of the algebraic expression, the terms here are 3x, 4y and 7. All are bind in the with the help of algebraic operations of addition and subtraction. So this whole makes an algebraic expression. Sometimes students also confuse between algebraic expression and equation. Basically, an algebraic expression becomes an equation if we equate the algebraic expression equal to 0. Still didn't get it? Okay, let's take a very simple example now. Here we have a very simple algebraic expression, that is 5x minus 3. Here 5x is the term in the algebraic expression and 3 is the separate term in the algebraic expression, whereas 5 is a coefficient associated with the variable x in the algebraic expression. Now I hope the concept of variables, coefficient and constant is clear to you. Okay, now one question comes up in the mind. Is 4 an algebraic expression? No, because it does not contain any variable and any operation. So as we can call it an algebraic expression. Okay, let's think we can write a 4 in the form of 4 plus b something. Then 4 plus b equal to 4 only when b is equal to 0. That means there is no variable in it. So 4 is not at all an algebraic expression. Let's move further. There are 3 types of algebraic expressions, namely monomial expression, binomial expression and polynomial expression. Let's deep dive into all these 3 types of algebraic expressions. Okay, what is a monomial expression? A monomial expression is an expression which contains only one term. Please do not confuse the term with the variable. Term is different and variable is different. So here examples are 3x cubed, 3xy, 3x, 8y. All these expressions consist of only one term. Now, in a similar way, what is a binomial expression? A binomial expression is an algebraic expression which is having 2 terms. So, here we have the examples 5xy plus 8. Here we have 5xy. In a similar way, we can define what a binomial expression is. It is an expression having 2 terms which are not same. We can see from the examples here that 5xy plus 8 is a binomial expression. Why? Because it consists of 2 terms, 5xy and 8. Are these terms same? No, because 8 is a constant term while 5xy is a term that contains variables. Now, moving on to polynomial expressions. Polynomial expression is the expression containing more than one term. It can be 4, 5, 6, having no negative integral exponents of a variable. Say the variable here is x, so the no negative integral exponents would be x square, x cube, x5. And from the examples, we can see that ax plus by plus ca. Here we have 2 variables x and y having the exponential power 1 and a constant term ca. So both are bind by the algebraic operation plus, and there are 3 terms here. In a similar way, the other example is x cube plus 2x plus 3, which is an algebraic expression in a single variable. Now there are other types of expression also other than monomial, binomial and polynomial expressions. The other two are numeric expression and variable expression. So let's discuss one by one what a numerical expression is and what a variable expression is. So numeric expression simply consists of numbers and operations, that is 10 plus 5, 2 minus 3, 15 divided by 2, 4 into 6, etc. While a variable expression contains variables along with the numbers and operation defined on them. For example, 4x plus 5, 5ab plus 33. Now let's discuss few more terminologies associated with the algebraic expression so that we can solve them further in a simplified manner. So what are like terms? Like terms are those terms which have the same variables raised to the same power. Say we have x square and x to the power 1. Can we say these are like terms? No, because one has x to the power 2 and the other has x to the power 1. So is 2 is equal to 1? No. So therefore x square and x are unlike terms. Here we have an example, 3x square y and 5x square y. Yes, these are like terms. Why? Because here we have x to the power 2, which is same in both the terms, and y to the power 1, which is also same in both the terms. Now let's discuss what are factors. Factors are those variables on consonants whose product form a term of the expression. Now let's say we have a term in the expression 8xy. So what are the possible factors of the term 8xy? We have 8, we have x, we have y. Can there be other possible factors? No, because if there is other possible factors, then 8xy will become something else when we multiply with the other factor. So it is not possible. So 8xy term has only 3 factors, that is 8, x and y. With this we can conclude a statement here that the product of factors form a term and the summation of terms form an expression. Now let's move further towards addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. We can add and subtract like terms easily. That means we have to keep in mind that while adding and subtracting algebraic expressions, we take into account like terms, not unlike terms. So here we have the expression 3x plus 5y minus 6z and x minus 4y plus 2z. Now we will write both the expressions on one side and then separate the like terms and add them together. Here we have the like terms as 3x plus x, 5y minus 4y and minus 6z plus 2z. Now we will perform the simple operations of addition and subtraction to get the desired result. Here we will get 3x plus x as 4x, 5y minus 4y as y and minus 6z plus 2z as minus 4z. So this is the desired result. Now let us solve some more problems on algebraic expressions. Now number one problem is 3xy cube plus 9x square y cube plus 5y cube x. Now here can you see the like terms? Yes, we have 3xy cube and 5y cube x as the like terms. We can see that here both the terms have x to the power 1 and y to the power 3. So we will add them. So what we will get? 5 plus 3, 8. 8xy cube. And the other term is unlike term. So we will keep it as it is. Now we get 8xy cube plus 9x square y cube as the simplified expression. So since the expression contains only two terms, we can write it as binomial expression because it contains only two terms. Now moving further, the other example is 7ab square c square plus 2a cube b square minus 3abc minus 5ab square c square minus 2b square a cube plus 2ab. Now here we will combine the like terms and then solve in a similar manner that we have solved the above problem. Here we have the like terms as 7 minus 5, ab square c square. So So we will get 2ab square c square. Now this is also another like term we have. 2a cube b square minus 2b square a cube, which cancels out to give 0 sum. Now this minus 3abc is alone, so we'll keep it as it is, and 2ab is also alone, we will keep it as it is. Now it contains 3 terms, so we will say this expression to be a trinomial expression since it contains 3 terms. In a similar manner, we have the third problem. 50x cube minus 20x plus 8x plus 21x cube minus 3x plus 15x minus 41x cube. Here we have the like terms as 50x cube plus 21x cube minus 41x cube. We'll see that 21x cube minus 41x cube comes out to be minus 20x cube, which we will subtract from 50, we get 30x cube. And the other terms we get is 20x minus 20x plus 8x minus 3x plus 15x, which cancels out to give 0 sum. And also here we can observe that we have only one expression here. We have only one term in the expression, so we can safely say it to be a monomial expression. Now let's discuss about multiplication of algebraic expressions. We have to keep in mind 2 rules to multiply 2 algebraic expressions. That is, the numerical coefficient of the terms is equal to the product of the numerical coefficient of both the terms. We can see from the example here that we have 5x into minus 2z is equal to 5 into minus 2 into x into z. We will get minus 10xz. So here what we have done is we have multiplied the coefficients of the terms associated with the variables x and z in the algebraic expression. And the number second rule is that the exponent or power of each algebraic factor is equal to the sum of the exponents of that algebraic factor in both the expressions. That is, x square into x cube is equal to x to the power 5. We have added the powers of the exponents here. So here we have the example 4xy into 5x square y square. We will multiply the coefficients here, we will get 20, and then we will add the exponents of the variables. We have x to the power 1 and x to the power 2. So we will get x to the power 3 here, 2 plus 1. Here we have y to the power 1. Here we have y to the power 1 and y to the power 2. So we will get y to the power. Now let's discuss about division of algebraic expressions. The easiest way to perform the division in the algebraic expression is that cancellation of the common terms. It is exactly similar to the division that we perform with the numbers. So let's consider an example 6a square divided by 2a. We can write 6a square as 6 into a, as these are the possible factors of 6a square. And we can write 2a as 2 into a, as 2 and a are the only possible factors of 2a. Now cancelling out the common terms, we are left with only 3a. So that is the desired result. So that's all with the algebraic expression topic. Thank you.